In this video, I'll give you my honest review about Shopify dropshipping. Okay, so what you can do here, guys, with Shopify, you can get started for free using Shopify. As you can see that I've inside the members area of Shopify. I'm going to show you how to use Shopify, guys. Okay, but first of all, if you want to get an access with Shopify, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. It's going to take you to this page so that you can get started for free, only for $1 for only for 1 month, guys. Okay, using Shopify. Okay, so now let's go to Shopify. As you can see, there's so many things that you can do here, guys, with Shopify. You can also add your product if you don't have any product yet, but I'm going to show you how to do that. When you click here to orders, you can able to see how many orders you got based on the specific day. Okay, you can see all of those things, like for today, like it's gonna show you the total orders that you got for today. It's gonna show you the total ordered items over time, and also the returns, like how many returns that you got, and also the fulfillment. Okay, you can also choose based on the last 7 days or on the last 30 days, guys. Okay, you can also go to abandoned carts, abandoned checkout. So this is whereby that a customer visited on your store, they click on the checkout but they never purchased. So you can see all of those things. You can also go to products. So for products, this is whereby that you can able to add a product for a Shopify store. Okay, so what you can do actually here, you can just click here to, you can also import a product, guys. Okay, here you can essentially import, or you can click here to add a new product. Let me show you what you can do. So what you can do here, on add a new product, you can also give it the title of the product. You can also write a description of the product. You can also use this AI generator, guys. It is very, very important. Like, you can also use these features, keywords. Let's say we're gonna say to short sleeve t-shirt, t-shirt. What you can do, just click here to generate. So what's gonna happen, this AI tool is gonna write a content based on the keywords that you put here, guys. Okay, so you can also use this content for your product descriptions. It is so important, guys. Okay, and also what you can do, you can also set your let me just click here to keep it. I'm just gonna click here to keep it. And then what you can do here, first of all, you can just put your title here, the title of your product. And also what you can do here, you can just click here to upload. You can also upload an image for your Shopify store, or you can add a URL. Okay, and then of the product you are selling, you can also put the prices here, and also compare the prices, the cost per item. This is going to be showing you the profit, all of those things. Please keep it this as default, like this tracking item here. Please just keep it like that as default. Okay, so what you can do here, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna go through all of this, but I'm showing you what you can do here with Shopify. You can also go to collections. I'm just gonna click here to leave the page. You can also go to collections, all of the stuff. You can also go to purchase orders. It's gonna show you how many orders that you got. And also you can also use gift card and transfers, or you can also go to customers. So under customers, this is whereby it's gonna be showing all of the customers that you have. You can also import your own, if let's say that you have a customer database, you can also import it here, or you can also add new customers here, guys. Okay, you can also use segments. You can also use segments, mean that Shopify and the segment is gonna be showing you all of the customers who have purchased at least once. Is going to be showing you the percentage, and also the email subscribers, and also the abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days, meaning that people that they landed on a store, they click on the checkout but they never purchase anything. Is going to be showing you that. And also customers who have purchased more than once, is going to be showing all of those things. And also customers who haven't purchased, is going to be showing all of these that statistics here, guys. Okay, you can also go to content. So under content, you just click on the content. You can also go to analytics. So what I like about this analytics is that it's going to be showing you the report of how your store is performing. Like let's say that for today, it's going to be showing you how many total sales that you got today. And also you can also filter this and change it in the last 30 days, in the last 7 days, in the last 30 days, in the last 90 days, in the last 360, in the last month, in the last 12 months. can do some customization here, guys, based on a specific day, and track how your store is performing for your dropshipping business. And also it's going to be showing you the online store session right now, meaning that how many visitors that you are getting on your online store. And also it's going to be showing you the online store conversion rate. Okay, like if your store is above 3% conversion rate, mean that your store, it is performing very, very good, guys. Okay, so those are some statistics that you can choose here, guys, that you can check. You can also go to live view. So when you click here to live view, it's gonna be showing you how many visitors that you have right now in your store, and also how many sales that you got, and also the total sessions, all of those things. Also which are performing countries that you are getting the most traffic from your store. Okay, you can also go to marketing. So marketing, this is whereby that you can also take advantage of using email marketing. Like you can also send some email follow-ups from people that they never purchase, people that they visited on a store but they never purchased anything from you on a store. You can also do all of those things, guys. Okay, you can also use automation. And you can also use discount, guys. Okay, on a Shopify store, you can also use discount. I mean that you can also trade discount. What I like about discount is that you'll be getting more sellers. You can also use this online store, like this whereby that Shopify is giving you some themes that you can use, guys. Okay, as you can see, these are some of the themes that Shopify offers that you can choose from, that you can use. Okay, and then what you can do here, let me just preview this one. Some of these themes, they are free, but some of them they are paid. Okay, but they're paid one, they are very, very, very much expensive. They are very, very much expensive. As you can see, this is a free one that you can just use right away, guys. Okay, and then what else you can do, I'm not gonna go through all of these things, guys. Okay, you can also go to apps. It's gonna be showing you the apps that you can have, or you can also search some of these apps here. Let me show you the pricing plans of Shopify. As you can see that when you click the link down below in the description of this video, you can get an access to Shopify, guys. Okay, only for $1 that you can able to get access only for 1 month free trial. Okay, just put your email address here and get started using Shopify. So these are some of the plans that Shopify offers. Like I suggest, guys, when you're starting out, just use the popular one. Okay, use the popular one, mean that per month you can pay $25 per month, but if you want to pay on a yearly basis, you can save up to 25% off, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna show you all of these because these one, they are for agencies or for dropshippers that they want to scale their online stores. But if you're starting out, guys, okay, the basic plan, it is good for you. I highly recommend that you can use this basic plan, guys. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And also don't forget to click the link down below in the description of this video to get access with Shopify, guys. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care, and may God bless you. Shop.